Hello.
Hello. And welcome
to the Lymff Adventure Wales.
Hop, hop, hop.
It's a family event.
Oh, brilliant!
Organised by the lymphedema network team.
Whoa! For us to meet new people.
Learn stuff.
And have fun.
This film is all for the young adults, older teenager types, where it's a difficult age anyway, let alone having lymphedema.
So that they could share information and knowledge with each other and obviously have a fun time together.
Bring them in, guys, bring them in.
I think people need to meet other people with their condition because I always grew up thinking I was one of the only people who had it.
I have no one else that I know, so it's nice to make new friends who have the same condition as I do.
I'd like to meet more people my age to be friends with that have lymphedema.
I know of the older people, and it needs more group chats and more supportive stuff like that.
Even if nobody has so far.
I think we need more people who are willing to help when it comes to emotions, because as you go through adolescence it becomes a big thing, and the way you see yourself and compare to others.
Well, we've got a Facebook workshop this afternoon because we want to try and set up a Facebook group that the kids could get connected with.
Like meeting new people and just talking about it can help because you feel like you're not the only one with it.
We can actually talk about the same thing and actually relate to the same thing that we've got.
The retro games are great fun.
I've just been playing Mario.
We want to be able to exercise our bodies, but we also need to find ways to relax as well.
What was the best bit? Rugby? Hands up for the rugby bit. Hands up for the glitter tattoos.
I think we can get rid of the concept that you have to come to a hospital to get information.
One of those in particular is removing the lymphodematous tissue. So removing the tissue that's got lots of fluid in it, that's thickened and indurated, and is quite heavy.
I spent about 20 years trying to work out vascular anomalies, and she's asked me to do this in 15 minutes for you guys, okay?
If you've got a problem with your lymphatic system, you need to move even more to help your lymphatic system move more.
Because I've got the wrap, it's harder to bend my leg and walk and sit sometimes. But I still do all the activities my friends do because it's just more fun then.
Well, it doesn't really affect me, but it's hard for my sister.
Siblings are the forgotten group, I think, in families when you've got a child who's taking a huge amount of time and effort to look after. And I think these are really important times to play together.
Ah, what a touch!
I don't really know much about it. I just know that she's got to wear socks and sometimes she might be in a little bit of pain.
I don't let it bother me. If I want to do something, I'm going to do it, and it's not going to hold me back.
We just want the best for her, to be honest.
This whole place is full of people just like me, and it's amazing. I don't have to be someone else, I can just be me, and I love it.
If you have events where children and families come together, that actually the isolation is blown out of the way. Children and families realising they're part of a community makes a massive difference.
Have you got new information from today?
Have you made new friends? Have you got new actions that you're going to take away with you after today? And have you had fun?
Sticky dots? Yeah. All of a sudden I've made a whole group of friends that have the same condition. It's really nice to just be able to sit down and talk about it.
If you guys get bullied, just don't listen to them. It's you're yourself, you're beautiful the way you are.
It's been a fantastic day. I think it's been a little bit emotional, how seeing people are joined together, but it's a happy day, it's fab.
I would want more of this, like occasionally. It'd be really fun.
If you're somebody who's living outside of Wales, you can contact through the Facebook page, and then we might be able to link you with other healthcare professionals if you feel you need that kind of support. If you're living within Wales, in every health board there is healthcare professionals involved in caring for your condition. So if you're not yet known to us, ask your GP to refer you.